Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be cash planning $1,000. I already wrote out all the categories here. So we're starting with $1,000. Calculator, it was like $3 on Amazon. Okay, so groceries is getting its normal 80, dining out 40, gas 25, and Aria is getting 10. This really worked out for me last week. I think I'm going to stick to these numbers. Okay, so we're left with $845. Moving on to our high priority binder. Okay. So high priority cell phone, we paid that off this month. And I already pulled the money out for that little savings tracker thing with like the due date and the amount of the total and how many weeks I have. So like how many dollars I would have to put in per week. So for my cell phone, it came out to be $10 a week. I don't know why I wrote the dollar sign next to it. $10 a week until the next time I owe it in like 3 months. All right. Credit card is a new envelope, so we're going to skip that for now. I just added that. Debt, we're going to do 150. I'm really trying to get ahead of that. Hair, I did the same thing for hair as I did for the cell phone. And my hair right now has been, I don't know, I've just been doing a lot. Their appointment in February, so I need to do $30 a week for that. And it's really expensive, unfortunately, but I really like the girl that I go to. She's really good. We're going to do 35 for this. This is coming up soon. Yay. Just a few more weeks to save for that. And then we'll move it out of our high priority binder. Road trip. This is also coming up soon in December. So we're doing a 20 for that. Transportation is for car insurance. And I have until April, so I calculated that all out. My car insurance is insanely expensive too. So it's about $50 a week that I have to save in order to be ready by April. This is getting 200 because like I said, I've been having a lot of issues, so I need to really pack this in here. And then subscriptions is also a new envelope, so we're going to worry about that next time. Okay, so that's high priority. Next is sinking funds. With car care, we're going to do 10. We packed a lot in here last week. I think we have, what do we have? 40. So yeah, 10 will be great. Entertainment, we are going to add 20. This one still has 25. I didn't spend anything out of this past week, which was great. I was really happy with my spending actually this past week. I felt like the week before I had a lot going on. And so this week I was like, okay, I really got to stick to it. And I did. So furry friends, 10. I'm going to be filming a cash stuffing video and you'll see how much I ended up saving this past week from my wallet. I was so excited. I also forgot to be doing this, but I'll do that at the end of this section. Gifts is a new envelope. I have this in my budget spreadsheet and I just realized I don't have an envelope for it. So my nephew has a birthday coming up, so we're going to budget for that. Household is going to get 10 as well. Miscellaneous will do 10. And I have a few new envelopes in here too that will start maybe next week. Okay, so let's see where we're at with all this stuff. So we're left with 270. This calculator is not great. Look at that 5 sticking. Oops. Well, it was only $3, so I guess that makes sense. All right, so next we're doing low priority. Okay, we're skipping education. 10. 10 in electronics. I haven't been stuffing this, but because I have a little extra this week to plan for, I'm going to start putting something in there. Wait, no, not 10 for emergency. Do 100 for emergency. Turn this page. All right, investing is getting 10. We're skipping new car, and new home is getting 10. So let's go back and see how much we're left with. We have 140 left, which is great. Our next binder is for savings. Okay, we're skipping beach. Birthday is going to get 5. Craft is going to get 5. Games is going to get 5. Glow up goals in 10. Because mostly because I'm running out of makeup and that kind of stuff is so expensive. Movies is a new one. We'll stuff that next time. Hopefully rainy day is getting 5. Style is getting 10. Sports is a new one. Skipping that for now. Travel is getting 10. And let's see where we're at because this is our New Year's savings. So have a new binder for just for Aria's stuff. $90 left. Get my New Year's scratch off card. All right, let's scratch off one of these balloons. 15. That scratch off card is for $100 total. And who knows what we'll do with it? Buy ourselves a treat. So let's go to Aria's binder. Okay, so this one is just for like her clothes and stuff. Anything she might need. I don't really have something to call it yet, so we're going to put 10 in this one. Back to school. Birthdays. Oh, I do have a clothing's envelope for her. But still. Okay, back to school. We'll do 5 because that's not super high priority. Birthday, we're going to do 5. So let's do -5, -5. Clothing. Let's do 20 in here because it's fall time, it's getting colder out. I do need to buy her some clothes, and she's just growing so fast. College fund. Let's do 10. Okay, so 55 minus 20 minus 10. We have 25 left. Okay, for school, this is just anything that she needs. Sometimes we're asked to bring snacks in. Sometimes, I don't know, like around Halloween, we were asked to bring a pumpkin in. So anything like that. I think I'm just going to do 10 in here for now. So that leaves us with $15 out of the 1,000 that we had planned. Let's see what we can go back and add to. I think I'm going to add the 15 to miscellaneous. So what's 15 plus 10? 25. I don't know why I needed a calculator for that. My brain is just not braining. Okay, so now we're going to go through, we're going to get our denominations so that we can take that to the bank. Let's add these up. So 50s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I guess 10 and then 1 from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gives 50. 180. Now we're just going to add up these, make sure we have 1,000. And we do. Perfect. Okay, so yay. All right, so that's the plan. I did forget to mention I also had planned on adding a category for a few things that I want for my Etsy shop, like a printer and like a silhouette machine or something like that. But I guess we'll just do that next time, or maybe I'll just use the stuff that I've saved to put towards that. Hi, buddy. You want to see what I'm doing? Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you to the 15 subscribers that we've gotten, that I've, oh my goodness. Anyways, thanks to the 15 people who have followed and subscribed. And for everyone who watches and comments, I really appreciate you all. And I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Next time we're doing the cash stuffing video. I always love watching those. Those are probably my favorite.